Hi friends, here we are at our houses, and today Mr. B is going to teach you a little bit about a beautiful country called Japan. Japan is in the Pacific Ocean, and you can see it's an island. And there's a big city there called Tokyo. And Tokyo has all kinds of amazing things and amazing streets and amazing people. And today I'm going to show you a little bit about what Japan looks like. So here's a little video about Japan. You can see there's amazing things in Japan. There's amazing clothes, and amazing food, and amazing people. Amazing video games. And everybody there is super nice to each other and always has fun together. But my favorite thing about Japan is the music. And today we're going to learn a little bit about music that comes from Japan. They have robots. They have beautiful parks and mountains and waterfalls and stores where you can buy pretty much anything. And it's a pretty beautiful place. What a nice looking country Japan is. So today I'm going to teach you a little bit about some music from Japan. This is one of my favorite musical instruments, and it's called the shamisen. Can you say that? Shamisen. And the shamisen looks kind of like a guitar, and it has 3 strings. And when she plays the shamisen, it really reminds me of Japan. Things like karate and things like sushi. And when people hear the shamisen, they always think of Japan. So here's what it sounds like. You can see she's playing the shamisen with a really big pick in her hand called a plex. And the shamisen is thousands of years old. People have been playing them in Japan for thousands of years. And she's wearing regalia or clothes that people used to wear in Japan thousands of years ago. What a beautiful instrument. So now I'm going to show you another instrument I love from Japan. And this instrument's a brand new one. They just invented it, and it's called the CR telecaster. And when you play a CR telecaster, you use a rock called a magnet. And the magnet makes the computer screen on the instrument make sounds and light up really beautiful lights. And when you see it, sounds a little bit like the shamisen, except it's all electronic. This guy's name is Awada, and he's from Tokyo, playing the CR telecaster. And he's recording the sound and then playing a new sound on top. Wow, what a neat sound that is, huh? He really likes playing that instrument. And the CR Telecaster really reminds me of my favorite instrument, the ukulele. Okay, so today I've got my brand new ukulele that I play only at my house, and it's got some pretty neat tiger colors on it. And I love playing this ukulele. And today I'm going to show you a song that's called The Land of the Rising Sun. And the song is all about Japan. So what I'm going to do is show you the words, and I'm going to play it super slow. And then after that, we'll try singing it together with the whole video. All right, so the first part sounds like this. I'm going to sing part 1. It goes like this. 1, 2, ready, go. Come with me across the sea, the land of the rising sun. If we can, we'll find Japan, the land of the rising sun. Now I'm going to let you sing it. 1, 2, ready, go. If we can, the land of the rising sun. And a 2, and a 1, 2, here I go. Temples old, pagodas tall, sacred places to be, glittering Tokyo, beautiful Mount Fuji. Now it's your turn. Temples old, pagodas tall, sacred places to be, glittering Tokyo, beautiful Mount Fuji. And a 2, and now it's my turn. Here I go. Come with me across the sea, the land of the rising sun. If we can, we'll find Japan, the land of the rising sun. Now it's your turn. Come with me across the sea, the land of the rising sun. If we can, we'll find Japan, the land of the rising sun. And now it's my turn, and here I go. Be polite and bow down low, that's how we should be. Stop a while, drink some tea under the blossom tree. Now it's your turn. Be polite and bow down low, that's how we should be. Stop a while, drink some tea under a blossom tree. And a 2, and now it's my turn. Here I go. Come with me across the sea, the land of the rising sun. If we can, we'll find Japan, the land of the rising sun. Now it's your turn. Come with me across the sea, the land of the rising sun. If we can, we'll find Japan, the land of the rising sun. Let's try it together. Here we go. Come with me across the sea, the land of the rising sun. If we can, we'll find Japan, the land of the rising sun. What a beautiful song. So now that we had the chance to practice, I'm going to put the song back to the beginning, and we can all sing it together one more time. And anytime you watch this video, you can practice the song again. I hope you like it. Let's try it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, here we go. Come with me across the sea, the land of the rising sun. If we can, we'll find Japan, the land of the rising sun. Temples old, pagodas tall, sacred places to be, glittering Tokyo, beautiful Mount Fuji. Good job. Let's go again. 1, 2, 3. Come with me across the sea, the land of the rising sun. If we can, we'll find Japan, the land of the rising sun. Be polite and bow down low, that's how we should be. Stop a while, drink some tea under the blossom tree. Now this time you gotta go all by yourself, alright? Here we go. 1, 2, here we go. Wow, so good. Give yourself a big clap because you did an amazing job on that song. So I have one more thing for us to do today, and it's a dance, all right? You know what they love in Japan? Candy. And this dance is all about candy, and it's called oishi oishi. So you should get out of your chair just like I'm going to do right now, and we're going to dance together to this awesome song. Oishi oishi means yummy yummy in Japanese. So let's dance to it together. Here we go. Ready? I'm going to make it so you can see me. It's like we're skiing, kind of. And lots of people love dancing to cute songs like this. Because everybody loves bright colors and yummy candy. Alright, now I'm going to put it big screen so you can dance all by yourself to it. Oh yeah. Look at all those ice creams. I sure hope you had fun today learning all about Japan, which is one of my favorite places. I went there 2 times. So fun. You can see I'm still dancing. There's some vegetables. Well, you should probably eat those as well as candy, right? I hope you're dancing out there, because I am. Phew! Ta-da! Wow, that was fun. And I really hope that everybody had a good time learning about Japan today, because it's a really beautiful country with lots of beautiful music. So I'll see you next time.